identification of a how to identification of a herbal drugs, and how to harvesting of the herbal drugs, how to collection of the herbal drugs, and as well as how to cultivation of the herbal drugs, and discuss about the personals also in the last class. So same as it is in the GACP, the good agriculture and collection process, the WHO guidelines and several guidelines are there. So first one is the medicinal plant or herbal drugs should be harvested when they are the best possible quality for the proposed date. So first one is the first guideline. So WHO guidelines for the GACP. So GACP including identification, harvesting, cultivation, collection, and the next one personal. And the next one guideline is the medicinal plants or herbal drugs must be harvested when they are the best possible quality. So best possible quality herbal drugs or plants collected. Collect the best quality or best quality herbal drugs or plants are collected. And second one is the damaged plants or damaged parts of plants needed be excluded. In case of damaged plants or part of plants is excluded from this collection. And the next one is medicinal plants herbal drugs should be harvested under the best possible condition. So the harvesting process done by best quality, and the next best quality conditions only. So what is the conditions means? A wet soil and rainy seasons, and acceptable high humidity condition. Depends upon the humidity, depends upon the soil, depends upon the rain. We are harvesting the particular products. We are harvesting the particular products of the plants. And the next one, cutting devices harvesters must be adjusted such contamination from the soil and particles reduced a minimum. Simply minimize the or reduce contamination or contaminated parts of reduce or minimize the contaminated parts of plant. And the next one, the harvesting medicinal plant or herbal drug should not come into direct contact with the soil. So means the harvested medicinal plants or herbal drugs should not come into direct contact with the soil. Should not come into direct contact with the soil. So the next one is the harvested medicinal plants. They must be promptly collection and transported in dry condition. Transported by transported in dry condition. Here the dry condition is a transportation occur in the only dry condition, and clean condition also. Clean it. Why? Because of in case of any dust particles, any moisture content is presented on the particular herbal drugs or the medicinal plant, it leads to the contamination. Or it leads to the spoilage of the total drugs. That is the one of the guideline. And the next one guideline is that during harvesting, care should be taken. Ensure the toxic weeds mixed with the harvested medicinal plants and herbal drugs. So at the harvesting moment, so it mix with a herbal drugs and toxic compounds also mixing at that moment of the harvesting. So that's one is a compulsory. Avoid the toxic materials. And the next one, then after harvesting, all containers used during harvesting must be clean. So containers must be clean at the in the clean in the inside of the container. inside of the container. So the next one, it clean and free from contamination from the previous harvest also, free from contamination from previous harvesting, previous harvesting. And the next one is freshly harvested medicinal plants or herbal drugs must be delivered quickly possible processing facility in order to prevent thermal degradation. So the next one is freshly harvested medicinal plants, freshly harvested medicinal plants. So freshly harvested medicinal plants are herbal drugs. Freshly harvested medicinal plants or herbal drugs must be delivered in quick delivery as possible. So the next one, harvesting crop must be protected from the after harvested plant or medicinal drugs or herbal drugs. So harvested plants are herbal drugs protected from the protected from pestis protected from the pestis and different and the next one, the pest control measure taken should be documented. So the next one is the compulsory maintain the drying process. Why? Any moisture content moisture content is evaporated from the herbal drugs, and as well as by using of the after drying and avoid the contamination also. So the how to maintain the drying process and how to dry the particular medicinal plants means in the open area. These are the placed in the open area placed in the open area and shaded from direct sunlight. That one is a very important in the drying process. So the next one is placed in thin layers of the drying frames, and the next one by direct sunlight if appropriate, drying ovens and room solar dryers. So drying ovens by using of the drying ovens and solar ovens, by using of the drying ovens and solar ovens, it maintain the drying process. And by using of the vacuum dryer also useful for the vacuum dryer, and spray dryers also useful for the drying of the medicinal plant. And the next one, the most common method is the preserving of plant material is drying. So most common method for preserving most common method preserving plant material is drying. So these are this is about drying. Then after drying, store it. So after drying, store or storage. So storage the medicinal plants or storage of the medicinal plants, and as well as the herbal drugs. So the storage facilities is that depends upon the individual medicinal plants. It depend on individual medicinal drugs or medicinal plants. So follow the WHO guidelines. So in the WHO guidelines, the storage, some medicinal plants stored in a cool place. Some are the dry place, or some are the stored in a closed in a well closed container. Some are the stored in a at the 37 degrees Celsius, and it depends upon the temperature. Some are the stored in a dark light. Some are the stored in a at the light condition also. Depends upon the individual. So it maintains the particular stored in a boxes, and particular containers is maintained for the storage. So why? Because of it, in case of any changes occurs in the storage, it leads to the contamination and spoil of the total medicinal plants and herbal drugs is spoilage. So that is the main important for particular WHO guidelines, and useful for the storage of the medicinal plants. So after storage, preservation. preservation. So after storage, the preservation is the most important in the after harvesting and storage. After harvesting and storage, the preservation is most important. In the preservative condition, it the avoid a contaminated avoid a contaminated compound, and protected from the environment condition, protected from the environment condition. The in this preservation, avoid a avoid a avoid a oxidation and reduction reaction. So in case of oxidation and reduction reactions are occurred in the storage material, it leads to the spoil and as well as the contamination of the compounds. So that is the preservation of the plant materials. So this is about WHO guidelines on the good agriculture collection process, good agriculture and collection practice or process. So the WHO guidelines is not only identification, harvesting, cultivation, and the next one collection and personal. So it including the several guidelines are there. This is about total guidelines about WHO guidelines on the GACP. Any doubts?